This 2023 Honda Fury is a tribute to the unique bikes of the past. From the chrome headlight nacelle to the dual exhaust systems or pearl yellow teardrop tanks to the chrome-accented V-twin, the Fury's design delivers an aggressive entrance evocative of the height of the extended custom cruisers, that is, the early 2000s. The ride quality is exceptional given the lengthy 71-inch wheelbase, the longest wheelbase for a Honda, 32-degree rake, low stance, and 681 pounds. Despite having the appearance of a hardtail, its rear shock has rebound as well as preload adjustments. The 3.5-inch rear suspension length. The non-adjustable 45mm fork makes 5.1 inches of movement possible. With a low seat height of 26.9 inches, the Fury encourages nearly any large rider to swing a leg over its single saddle in classic cruiser's manner. Due to forward leg control, the handlebar sweeps back towards the rider, causing the cyclist to be knee in the wind. This 1.312cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine on the Fury not only boasts crazy styling like custom likes and cruiser ergonomics, but it also features a unique 3-valve per-cylinder arrangement, instead of the typical 4-valve per-cylinder layout seen on most current bikes, and belts out a terrific rumble. 73 lb featuring of torque and more than 57 horsepower are produced by the 89.5mm bore and 104.3mm long stroke. You can complete several circuits around town before filling up the 3.4-gallon gasoline tank, according to Honda's claimed 45 mpg. It has axle drive, thus there is no need for chains, belts, or belt coverings. Perhaps more crucially for some proprietors, the final drive system requires very little maintenance. This Honda Fury's chrome and blackout engines provides the vehicle with its lifeblood while also adding to its distinctive custom fabulous demeanor. The frames plus bodywork leave no room for interpretation with a full factory and tranny appearance, like gems in a setting. Along with 2 spark adjustments for positive ignition and front flame spread for power and efficiency, 1 overhead cam multiplied by a 3-valve heads also provides these features. The closest thing to the higher-end riding control technology on this bike is the 38mm throttle body, which operates on a preset control curves with digitized ignition maps to modulate the spark. Honda pushed the Fury through a lot. Despite featuring the V-twin bump, the style is more closely related to the American custom industry and is therefore significantly out of character for the red riding. The ends of the front fenders are both cut at a lovely angle and feature creative curves with few sides. Blackout with chrome confront each other throughout the structure. Chromed headlights with a tiny bill might provide a more unique appearance. The 3.4-gallon gasoline tank has a little stretch when running, love it or loathe it. Although it might not be as elastic as, say, a NES motorcycle, it is still apparent. For novice or shorter cyclists, the seat should be comfortable and instill confidence because it only smashes 26.9 inches above the deck. The design of the previous rigid frame is mimicked by the tubular frames of the Fury, albeit subtly, right down to the side plates that support a yoke-style rocker's arm. This swing arm is supported and controlled by the monoshock's 3.7 inches of travel. It isn't much, but given the design of the bicycle, it's hardly unexpected. There is no additional space between the rear tire and fender. The rear shock incorporates sole adjusters with 5 slots for adjusting spring preload and adjustable rebound dampening. To increase the chopper's panache, a pair of robust 45mm front forks are booted out into a comparatively lengthy 32 degrees rake angle. Its 296mm disc at the back with the 336mm front disc are connected to the single piston anchor by twin pot calipers. For 2023, the ABS is included as part of the Honda Fury construction as opposed to being an option. The huge front rings of the chopper was another distinguishing feature, as well as the Honda delivered with a 90/90-21 front and a robust 250/18 rear. To complete a classic custom deal, it creates a good contrast between large and little, slender and fat.